Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Welcome to Grateful Learner. My name is Deepak Kumar. I am the founder of Grateful Learner in Civil Engineering. Today is our topic is Geotechnical Engineering, Soil Stabilization and Foundation Design. आज इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सॉइल स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड फाउंडेशन डिजाइन के बारे में, जो एक पार्ट है जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग का, और इसके फैक्टर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इसके टाइप्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड द फैक्टर ऑफ सॉइल स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड फाउंडेशन डिजाइन, एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट डिजाइन कंसिडरेशन फॉर फाउंडेशन। डिजाइन कंसिडर्ड क्या फाउंडेशन में किया जाएगा उसके बारे में हम इस वीडियो में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे सॉइल स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड फाउंडेशन डिजाइन। तो पढ़ते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू जियोटेक्निकल engineering. Basically, geotechnical engineering involves to the case study of behavior of earth materials and the applications and the design of engineering structure. The focus is of analyzing, predicting and the behavior of earth materials used to support the structure. Basically, it means to say that geotechnical works and the geotechnical energy works that and the knowing behavior of earths and the application of design of engineering structures, and as well as analyzing and predicting the behavior of earth materials used based on the support of that the nomenclature. Okay. Importance of soil stabilization and foundation design. There are three importance of soil stabilization and soil stabilization and foundation design. First one is structural integrity and the cost effectiveness and the environmental impact. There are three, and the first one is structural integrity. Proper soil stabilization and foundation design ensure the stability and the safety of engineering structure. These are the structural integrity, and the second one is cost effectiveness. Well designed and foundation can lead to cost savings in construction and its management. Basically, cost effectiveness, importance of soil stabilization and the foundation design, and the third one is environmental impact. Basically, appropriate soil stabilization methods can minimize environmental disruption during the construction. These are called environmental impact. The importance of soil stabilization and its foundation design. There are three: structural integrity, cost effectiveness, and environmental impact. And the second one is factor influencing soil stability. First one is soil property and the external forces. First one is soil properties, the composition. There are terms: composition, density, moisture content of soil significantly affect is the stability. Basically, the effects of composition and the density and the moisture content. There are the three soil properties which are helpful factors to influence of soil stability. And the external forces like that factor as water flow, seismic activity, and the human activity can influence those soil stability. There are two methods: soil properties and external forces, two factors influencing the soil stability. Okay. Now the methods of soil stabilization. There are three method of soil stabilization: mechanical stabilization, chemical stabilization, and the biological stabilization. There are three: mechanical, chemical, and biological. There are mechanical techniques like compaction and reinforcement. Basically, used terms are RCC reinforcement are used to physically after soil properties. There are measures of soil stabilization. And the second one is chemical stabilization. Chemical additives was improve the soil strength and control and its behavior. Basically, the methods of soil stabilization and the chemical works as to improve soil strength and control its behavior. And the biological stabilization basically work like that: natural vegetation and the micro organisms and the utilized to enhance soil stability. There are three method of soil stabilization: mechanical, chemical, and biological. Okay. Now the types of foundation. There are two types of foundation: shallow foundation and deep foundation. Deep foundation means like pile foundation. Okay, pile foundation. First of all, we know what is shallow foundation. Shallow foundation designed to transfer buildings lower to near surface soil layers. The designs of to transfer of buildings to leads to near surface soil layers called shallow foundation. And deep foundation, the pile foundation. And the deep foundation used when near surface soils are unable to support the applied called buildings called like deep foundation. There are two types of foundation. There are ये तो like shallow foundation है. Deep foundation means अंदर तक तो खुदाई होगा, कहीं ना कहीं उसको फंसाया जाएगा, ऐसा आप समझ सकते हैं डी फाउंडेशन को। नियर सरफेस soils are unable to support the applied then the building roads. There are two types of foundations, shallow foundations and deep foundation or pile foundation. Okay. Now the design consideration of foundation basically, and there are three design consideration of foundation as the structural stability and the soil characteristics and the construction material, and the ensuring foundation can support the anticipated loads without exhibition called structural ability. There are the major role of structure availability and the soil characteristics, मतलब understanding the soil properties. Basically it works at like that, understanding of soil properties and the select one and the appropriate foundation and types of design. Basically the design consideration of basically work like that. soil की विशेषता मतलब मिट्टी की विशेषता इस तरीके से हो सकती है. And the construction material and the building materials, basically it works as choosing materials that complement and the site conditions and the intended structure. There are three construction materials and involves with the help of the design consideration for foundation and its design, structural stability, soil characteristics and the construction material. There are three design consideration for foundation design. Okay, now the case studies and the stability of the foundation design and its ability. And the case study based successful soil stabilization project. There are three is a soil excavation machine. And the first one is एमडेप्सन ब्रिज नीदरलैंड्स. एग्जांपल्स दिए गए हैं जो जहां जहां केस स्टडी बनाया गया है और डीप फाउंडेशन हुआ है फॉर स्टेबलाइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ सॉइल का. इसमें आपको बताया गया है इरास्मस ब्रिज नीदरलैंड्स में है. वो कैसे बना गया है, इम्प्लीमेंटेड सॉइल लेवलिंग एंड स्टेबलाइजेशन ड्यूरिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन इंश्योरिंग स्ट्रक्चरल इंटीग्रिटी. एंड द बुर्ज खलीफा यूएई, राइट, Burj Khalifa UAE, golden parts and gate bridges utilizing a pile wrap foundation to support. I think Burj Khalifa 108 meter I think लंबा है, but not confirmed. Utilize a piled wrap foundation to support the record settings height to the structure. And the there Burj Khalifa, the case study and the soil stabilization of projects. And the second one is Golden Gate Bridge USA, United States of America. And the work is implement deep foundation. वहाँ deep foundation हुआ solution for contrast and seismic environmental challenges also available. And we have learned more all about the basically. And the there are three one आप यूट्यूब पे जाकर के इसका लाइक डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से स्ट्रक्चर्स वगैरह एंड ऑल बने हैं. ओके, नाउ द कंक्लूजन एंड द फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स इन जियो टेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग. Advancements and the chemical engineering, geotechnical engineering will focus on innovative and the stabilization methods for sustainable foundation design to the demands to the meet and the urbanization environmental preservation. It is crucial to continuously define and the practices of design efficient infrastructure development. Basically it works like that, and it meant to say that conclusion and the future developments in geotechnical engineering and the advancement and its application and the durable and the conclusion will be provided. And the मैंने एक जियोटेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक फील्ड एज ए सिविल इंजीनियर क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं मैंने इस चैनल पे वीडियो बना करके अपलोड करा है. मैं उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, आप वहां से भी जाकर के चीजों को देख सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं. कंक्लूजन एंड फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट्स इज जियोटेक्निकल इंजीनियरिंग. बेसिकली इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट एंड द एनवायरमेंटल प्रिजर्वेशन एंड द resilient and the efficient infrastructure basically like that. Okay, these are the future trends and the geotechnical engineering of development.
आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. इस वीडियो से आपको बहुत अच्छे हेल्प मिले होंगे. तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट करें. धन्यवाद.